Alright, welcome back everybody. This is part 2 of the crash spinning tutorial. This is some quick fixes and possibly some new moves. It depends on the mood I'm in. Quick fix I wanted to do, I noticed while playing the Insane Trilogy, is when Crash is standing still, he will spin easier to show while playing. He will actually get the second crate and the lower crate instead of the top crate. Right now he gets all of them in ours, which is good and all if you want a fast-paced one, but I'm going to show how to do it a little more accurate to the original. First we're going to... I gotta find these real quick. Okay, so we're gonna want to screw with this. Find all of them because I can't remember. Alright, set. Okay, that one's good and all. Good and dandy. Alright, cool. Yeah, that's all we needed to change. That's all we wanted to change. I'm gonna turn off the classic spin, or turn on the classic spin, not turn it off. It's already off. Where's our attack at? It's been a while since I opened this project. I'm gonna have to get reused to it. Here it is. Alright, yeah, we want to do the classic spin. Perfect. Alright, so first off, you should be able to do that. Second off, you should be able to do that. Ideally, crates would have, have physics and whatnot, but actually, if you want to know how to do the physics, I'm gonna link up here to one of the videos. I'm probably gonna revamp that system, optimize it a little bit, and make it a little better. But for now, there's that one. If you can find a way to make it optimize yourself, go ahead. For now, it's not that optimized. Anyway, so right now we got it working a little closer to the classic spin. Now, something I like to do is when Crash is moving, I like to test if he I like to test if he's moving and make the spin radius bigger. I don't know if that's actually how it's done in the originals, but it doesn't matter. I like it like this. So what we're gonna do is we're going to do a event check for event expand spin radius. We're gonna actually do a branch. Inside this branch, we're going to get his velocity. We're going to ignore his z velocity, but we will get his xy length, and we're gonna check if it's let's say greater than like 10 or something, so he's not able to do it while just slightly moving. Anyway, now we're going to actually hold on quickly. We're going to want to make a pause event, stop event, pause timer. I mean, pause timer by function name, and we're going to want to put this function name in, which we can click up here and copy. Alright, now we're going to want to set his spin radius to 100 if he's moving. And here we're going to want to set it back to 50. Alright, cool. Actually, let's do a little branch. And plug this into false. Plug that into true. Alright, we're going to want to do is falling. And false, do that. Alright, cool. So this may not work. I don't know. I haven't tested it. This is just all off the top of my head right now. But that's, you know, that's one way to alright. And I wanna, let's see. You know what, let's just set timer by function name. We'll just do that in both of these. Should I input the variables on that to begin with, but doesn't matter. Gonna want to grab the name of this event, paste it into these. Set this time to something really small, preferably 0.001. And let's see if our code works. It does not. Just set a print variable in here. Just keep it at hello. Alright, so so his movement input is not grabbed, or his movement input is not starting it for some reason. You know what, let's just you know, it may be because I'm going to do a sequence. Then we're going to do once. I'm just collapsing this to macro because it was in my way. Alright, anyway. Oops, if I can spell. Alright, anyway. Now that that's in, we can do a set timer by function name. Oops. Let's go grab the function name real quick. .001 custom reset event reset do once. Oops. Once on event. Pull out a little sequence here because we're gonna reset the other one, but for now let's just get that going, see if it works. Okay, it does do something. Alright, let's just quickly reset. Event reset do once on movement. So it's clearly Just do greater than. Why is it not changing anything? You know, alright, never mind, I know what it's for. Alright, let's do a quick little branch of this again. Might want to organize this yourself. Let's do not greater than, let's say about 30. Oops. Alright, that should be. Alright, it works. Yahoo. Alright, 150 is really huge. Let's not go with that. Let's just bring it down to like 80 or something. Yeah, that's good. Alright, there we go. There's that second step that I wanted to do. Now we're going to work on the double jump. I'm going to actually do I'm going to do a little bit better of a system of jumping than the default built-in Unreal's jumping. So let's get into that. I'm going to comment all these first. Alright, this is expand spin radius on movement. Alright, now that we got all that, I'm going to create a custom event. And what we're going to do is we're going to call this platformer gravity. Okay, first we're going to pull out the character movement. I'm going to say set gravity scale. We're going to say 2. Uh-oh. Alright, sorry about that. Visual Studio open because I accidentally double clicked on this crap. Anyway, we're going to want to set this to 2, and in here, okay. Alright, cool. Alright. Oh, oops. Where's the jump at? Alright, here we are. We want to call platformer gravity. It should just be setting it to gravity scale 2, but that's not what we started. Let's create a timeline and call this platformer timeline. Oops, platformer grav time. And we're going to want to play it from start. Then we're going to want to bring this and plug update into it. We're going to want to go in here, create a float track, call this grav scale, whatever you want to. We're going to set this to about 0.6. Let's add 3 keys and get this a bit more situated. I'm going to set this one's value to about 5. And we're going to set the time of it to the highest. Right now, we can set this to 2, 0. Alright, there we go. I'm going to want to turn this interpolation to auto so we can have a smoother interpolation, but I'm going to kind of do that with it. Alright, now let's see what happened. Now let's see what happens. There we go, that's a snappier jump. Anyway, now that we have that, we're actually going to do another custom event for the double jump because I don't like how Unreal's works. Anyway, we're gonna want to call the platformer gravity again. Alright, once we've called that, we just want to launch the character. Let's launch 800, I think. Alright. I guess we don't need that there. We can actually just call it again. But do a branch here. And do double jump. And since I plugged that into false, I'm going to pull the not condition out. Alright, you'll be able to infinitely do this, but we're going to limit that by a do once. And I can't do it again, and that's because we need to, I'm just going to make a event for this, event reset double jump. Alright, now that we got that, we can go to on landed event, wherever that's at. Here it is. We're going to want to bring that out and call it event double reset. Alright. Oh, that's why I didn't put a T. Alright, now you'll be able to. This now allows you to do some sort of like custom stuff, like possibly like you can like override or something. Not a good idea, but you know, it's a little more customizable than the current double jump that Unreal offers. Alright, now that we got a double jump and a better spin, we got a crash. Got a pretty good crash controller going. I think next video, which I'll probably be posting quickly after this one, I'll be doing the slide attack as well as the belly flop possibly. Anyways, thanks for watching and tune in next time.